still face experiment might be the reason why Gen Alpha behaves the way they do. If you're like me and you've seen the videos of the teachers crying about the iPad kids' behavior, I think this might interest you. The still face experiment is basically an experiment where a mother is put in front of her child and she's not supposed to react to whatever the child does. Cry, smile, want to play, interact. She just stays there still face. Still face does not mean you do not respond or make excessive facial expressions, but it just means that you're not responsive, that you completely block out the presence of the child, even if you're literally just staring at them. It's as if they don't exist. This is the still face experiment. I'm pretty sure you can find a video example of the still face experiment between a mother and a child. And I think this could explain why Gen Alpha behaves the way they do. I'm not sure if it's Gen Alpha or the generation after them, but basically the iPad kids. And if you think about it, they have been raised by millennials. I mean, for the most part. And millennials were around when the phones were around, the internet was around, and social media was around. Not only that, but they also raised their kids while using social media, while being on their phones. So could the screen time of the parent be affecting the child? Because we all have seen, either in real life or online, a kid reaching out to their parents and they're crying or happy or talking about something or explaining something, and instead of the parent dropping their phone and just listening to what the child wants, even if it's trivial, they're like, and just looking at their phone and not paying any attention to the child. And I think parents have subconsciously been doing this to the point where they even forced it on their kids. Even now, the kids are giving still face. If you shout at them, if you reprimand them, if sometimes you're even encouraging them, if they're on their iPads, they literally block you out. So this is something worth thinking about. What do you guys think?